Alright, so in this video, I just wanted to show you some of the results that I've been able to achieve with this method and show you what's possible. So, in a few different niches, these are all going to be showcase different niches. So, in this screenshot here, you can see in the last 30 days, I've been able to make $5,712.23. Okay, so then in the next one here, this is a different niche, and also the last 30 days. And in this niche, this is $1,773.78. And you can see in another niche here, not quite as much. This is $501.59. And in another niche, the last 30 days, $476.40. Okay, but what's exciting about this is that this is a relatively newer method that I've been adding into my business, and the potential for the upside and the potential for this is huge. This is something, not only am I teaching this in this course, but this is a huge focus for me in my business moving forward, throughout the rest of 2025 and beyond here. And that's because the fact that this is something that doesn't take much time to actually do. It's simple to execute, and it's very repeatable and scalable. Alright, and I'm just going to show you one last screenshot. This is in a different niche, and this is in the last 7 days. Okay, so July 3rd to July 9th, so almost 7 days about. And this is $600 in revenue in that time. So if you think about that, if we lay that out over a month, that's about an extra $2,400 from this campaign as well. So what I'm going to show you inside this course gets results. It's very powerful. So follow along with me as I go through everything. Everything's going to be laid out step by step over the shoulder, and I'm excited to show you guys what I have for you here.